So I do accents, I do voices, but one of the things that I do most often that gets immediate attention is animal noises. So if I make a bear, let me hear a bear noise. Go, let me hear a bear noise. No, come on, like you like kids. Let me hear a bear noise. Monkey noise. What else? Anybody do any other noises? Any other animal sounds? Raise your hand if you do an animal sound. I see a hand all the way in the back over there. What do you do, miss? A what? Elephant? Let's hear an elephant. I love how she stood up. Anybody else do any animal? Miss, all the way back there? Yeah, what do you do? A loon? What does a loon sound like? So that was a good elephant noise, and one of my kids, actually, I was going like, woo, and then I had a new kid join my karate program, he's like, that sucked. Straight up, honest words. I'm like, you're right. So I went to this thing called YouTube. Anybody ever, do you guys have YouTube out here? Okay. So I went, by the way, you can learn anything on YouTube, okay? You can actually get an MIT education on YouTube, just you won't get the degree or the debt, so it kind of balances out a little bit, okay? So an elephant noise, the way that we do it, is that I've been told, you pull your teeth in, take your teeth out, you pull your lips in like this, like that, and then as you press down with your lips, you breathe out as hard as possible with your mouth. Okay, now, I want to try it. Now, here's my invitation. If you've never, this is what's going to happen. If you've never done an elephant voice, and you're brave enough to try it, you're going to feel joy and energy fill your body. If your mind is already telling you, I'm not going to do that because whatever reason, my question is, how's that working? Here's an opportunity for you to really embrace joy and embrace happiness and embrace power. So I offer you an opportunity to make an elephant voice, an elephant noise. If you don't do it, that's fine. Because when you leave here, you're still going to be around you. Some of you don't like that, and that's okay. But if you also don't realize why you don't have access to joy, that's what my magnets are for. So I do coaching. I travel over the country. I'm in Kansas next to 2 weeks. I'm in Pennsylvania the week before that. And I do coaching. If I'm on a plane or I'm driving somewhere, I don't charge for it. And I want to figure out ways how to help you get to your self-expression and your joy because it's going to connect to the kids. Does that make sense? All right, so let's try it. By the way, hold on a second. I want your voice just to kick in. And by the way, how has your voice been helping you in your life? You know, the same voice that when you walk by the mirror after you take a shower and you look yourself in the mirror, how often does your voice compliment you? Or make you wrong for the way you're supposed to look based on no reality but your mind and how you should? Does that make sense? And then you should all over yourself. So ready, everybody? Pull your lips in if you want to access joy and happiness. And ready, set, breathe out, go. Now look around your tables and see the happiness. And see the joy. And just don't look at the person that's like this. And that's fine. Hopefully they'll reach out to me. Or point to them. Or shove them.